Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by mounting the camera in the RS3 portrait clamp, securing it enough to hold but loose for fine balance adjustments. Once done, level the roll axis first and then address tilt. This prevents drift when you power on. Make sure the lens axis aligns precisely with the gimbal pivot and use 0.5 mm shims or micro adjustments to shift the center of gravity. These steps reduce motor load and extend battery life, so take a little extra time now to save problems later. Next, power on the RS3 and switch the device into portrait orientation mode via the onboard controls or the companion app. Then, adjust motor strength and follow smoothness settings to match your camera weight. Higher strength for heavier rigs, lower smoothness for quicker response. If the app prompts an IMU calibration, perform it. This ensures sensors read orientation correctly in portrait. Finally, enable any portrait-specific horizon lock or pan-follow options so your framing holds steady during pans and moves. To finish, perform a slow pan and tilt test while the gimbal is loaded and observe for jitter or drift. If you see issues, rebalance the camera and repeat. Use the joystick or gesture controls for composition and lock unused axes when you remain static to prevent creep. If things go wrong, recalibrate the IMU, confirm firmware is up to date, and verify the mounting clamp is secure. These fixes resolve most portrait mode problems quickly so you can keep shooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.